Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert GGIVES to GCASH wallet without GPO. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have your GGIVES activated. So if you can have your GGIVES, then you can go ahead and go to your Shopee Pay. So if you don't have the application, you can download the Shopee, and then from there you will have the Shopee Pay. So from here, you just have to go to cash in. So you can, but before that, you have to do the ID verification first. And then once you're done, you can be able to cash in on your Shopee Pay. So just click on the cash in. And then from here, so other Shopee Pay may have the top up word, but that's just the same. So let's say you top on this one, and then you have to select the value that you want to top up. So let's say, for example, we're going to be go ahead tapping on the 1K, and then just go ahead and tap on pay now. So from here, once you click on that, you just have to select the GCash, and then it will be shown in your Shopee Pay once you have cashed in the money. So let's say, for example, we have this on our wallet, and now we're going to be transferring it to our GCash back. So what we're gonna do is just tap on send money, just like this one, and then tap on to other e-wallet. Once you tap on send the money to e-wallet, it will ask for your full name, e-wallet, phone number. So you just have to select the GCash and then fill in the information needed. Once you're done filling in, you will have to tap on the next button. And then you're gonna have to type in the amount that you want to send back to your GCash. So here it will be showing here your number and the full name. So just enter the amount. Once you're done, tap on next. And then this is where you can review the information before you can go ahead and send the money now. So once you have confirmed everything, you just have to tap on send money now, and then it will be shown in here. So as you can see, this is in progress. So it will be sent to your GCash about like minutes or hours, it depends. So just tap on OK and just wait patiently for it to arrive in your GCash wallet. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!